know and those who don't know. This is called Ensom Avenue. Enough people don't know that. Show them that. You see that building, that little pinkish, purplish building? That's called Rajmaville. So we're here in Sunshine. This is not Sunshine, this is beautiful Spanish Town. Is Portmore better than Spanish Town? I wonder if somebody knows. Somebody tell me, is Portmore better than Spanish Town? Everybody know that Portmore want to be a city now. Want to be a parish now. I think Spanish Town should vie to be a parish town, not like. Alright, we're gonna make this delivery. Come along with us. Which part are you? Look at man, big man. Oh, you remember me? Where brother? My virgin's son. Man favor him father, look how the man get big. Last time I get old. Alright, so we're package here for you. What happened? You alright? I'm getting so old. Alright, so this is for your daddy. So I can drop it off for you. So guys, his daddy is actually on the road, so he asked us to drop it off for his son. So, you know, we're convenient and flexible that way. Right? Right. Take it here on the side, yeah? Yeah, alright, cool. Alright guys, another delivery, we're out of here.
Today, Robert uses tongue to tie a knot that indeed can pull. Whether Portmore better than Spanish Town? Oh, I know you want to smash him in the comment, but please do forgive him. As a fellow Spain Town man, a fellow Spaniard, yeah, please forgive him.